Welcome back, children. In today's session, we will continue with the rest of the parts of back exercise of lesson 5, that is Clever Raja. Alright? So, children, earlier we discussed till part F. Now, let's begin with part G. That is on page number 55. Let's read it. Underline the words that have been made by joining two words. Write two words on the blanks. Children, in this you have to identify such words that are made by joining two separate words. Like it is shown in the first part, that is, everybody in the village knew Raja. So the word everybody is made with two words, that is every and body. So these words are written separately in the blanks on the right hand side. Likewise, you have to do in the other parts also. Next part is Hari's headache became worse. So the word headache is made with two words, that is head and ache. So underline it and write it separately in the blanks. Next is look at the pretty shirt in the cupboard. So underline the word cupboard and it is made with two words, that is cup and board. So write it in the blanks. Mahi loves to play football. Underline the word football and write foot and ball in the blanks. Last one is I saw a yellow butterfly on a flower. So underline the word butterfly and write butter and fly in the blanks. Fine. Now move on to part H, that is rewrite these sentences. Begin with the capital letter and end with a full stop. Children, there are few sentences given to you, but there are two mistakes. Like, as you all know that a proper sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, isn't it? But in these sentences, the sentence is beginning with a small letter and even does not ending with a full stop. So you have to correct them and rewrite below these sentences. Fine? So first one is I live with my mummy and papa. In this you have to write capital I in the starting and put a full stop at the end. Clear? Next is Mummy teaches me to draw. So M of mummy will be capital and there will be a full stop at the end. Fine? Similarly, other parts will also be done. Is it clear? Now open page number 56 and read part I. Fill in the blanks with I, she, he or we to complete these sentences. Children, these words like I, she, he or we are called pronouns. These words, the words that are used in place of nouns, okay? So I is always used with am. Then he and she is used to refer to the subject and it should be singular. Then we is used for group of people, including speaker or writer. Fine? Now let's read the sentences. First one is dash am Harpreet. We have just discussed that with the word am, there will be I. So write I in the first blank. It will be I am Harpreet. Fine. Next is dash is Fali. See in the picture below, Fali is a boy. So we will use the pronoun he here because when we refer to any boy, we use he for him. Alright. Then dash is Gopa. Gopa is a girl. So we will use she over here. It will be she is Gopa. Fine. Next is dash are friends. See, friends means group of friends and speaker is also included in this group. So we will be used here. It will be we are friends. Clear? Now come on to part J. Circle the correct pronouns to replace the words in grey. Children, see, in every sentence, few words are written with grey color and two options are given to you. You have to choose the correct option in place of these grey words. Fine? So the first sentence is, Reena and Tinu are in Kolkata. He or they are visiting their aunt. So, Reena and Tinu are two persons. So, they will come here. So, circle the word they. Next is, Sonu, Tina and I like ice cream. We or he also like fruit salad. So, we will come here. Fine. There is more than one person and speaker is also included in this. That is why we will come here. Just circle the word we. Next, Usha studies in my school. Usha is a girl, so she will come here. So just circle the word she. Next, Raj and Ritu are going to a park. We or they are going to play cricket. In this, they will be used. Fine. Next, my uncle lives in Shimla. She or he visits us every winter. So in this, he will be used. Fine. Now, just leave part K. Just put a cross over it and come to the next page, that is page number 57. Here also leave part L and M. Move on to part N. Complete these sentences. Use words from the box. Children, a hell box is there and few blanks are provided below related to the story. You have to fill these blanks. So let's read it. Hari Biswa sold dash to the villagers. So Hari used to sell vegetables to the villagers. So write vegetables in the first blank. Next, everybody dash Raja. Raja was Hari's horse and everybody used to like him. So there will be liked in the second blank. It will be everybody liked Raja. Next, one day Hari had a dash. He had a headache. Fine, so write headache over here. Then he went back dash. So due to headache, Hari went back home. Clear? Then Raja drew the cart and went to every house in the dash. He used to go to house for selling vegetables in the village. Fine. So you will write village in the fifth blank. Now the villagers took the vegetables and put dash in the box. So they used to put back money into the box. Fine. Raja went back home with the money. Well, children, with this we have completed lesson number 5. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, children. God bless you.